On a 2026 Genesis G70, here's how you replace your engine air filter. Start by popping the hood. You'll see that the air filter box is inconveniently located under this strut bar. You need to take a 14 millimeter to remove the strut bar. I've removed just one, so I have some play where it will pry up. Now take a Phillips screwdriver and loosen this gasket around the air filter box where it connects to the air filter hose. You don't need to remove it. In fact, removing it is a bad idea. Just loosen it up so that it will pull off. And then there's 4 retainer clips. 1, 2, I've already unsnapped them, that's why they're like that. So you just go like this and unsnap all 4 of them. And now let's see if we can get to the filter. I needed to use both hands, but there it is. It has pulled out. And this filter clearly does not need to be changed, but yours probably does. I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description to purchase the new filter for this 2.5 liter Genesis G70 for model year 2026. And then of course, after you put the filter in, reverse all the steps. Just make sure that you put it in the right direction, and that shouldn't be hard because it's shaped in such a way that it can only fit snugly in going one way like that. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.